Hey guys, so this is the reading tutorial that I was talking about. It is to root this little tablet right here. This little tablet. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. Woohoo. So, right now, the tablet is charging. So, I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so this is the next step to the reading tutorial. So as you can see, I am on a site. It's exterior developers. I will leave the link to this place on the video in the description. So a little more about the tablet. This is the LCA Voyager LCT 6873W32. Now, what you need to do is you need to scroll down until you get to here. You need to download this. You need to go here. And then you're going to want to download the version 1.3. It'll bring you to a place you want to click download, and then you want to click download again. So I've already done it. And then you want to get the Intel, and you want to get the CPU onto the tablet, not your computer. So now that I've shown you that, first off, you want to go into the Intel and you want to install it. Next off, you just want to run. I'm actually going to delete that. You want to actually just run. Once you download it from here, you just want to run it, and it'll install. Hey guys, so this is what you do after you get the tablet connected to the computer. So you do the patch.bat, and you click 2, and you see it works. It notices the device. Now, let's go through all of this together. So first, I'm going to click 1. Enter. So, as you can see here, it's in ADB. But, as you can see well actually no. Now, if you look at it, it's got a backlight. That's all that it has right now. It's just a backlight. You guys can't really see it very well, but it does. It has a backlight. So we are going to click continue. And this is a problem that I came across a lot while trying to do this. So what you got to do is you already installed the Intel Android driver setup. So that's good. So now, what you want to do is you want to go here, you want to right click, and you want to go to the device manager. Now you can probably hear this is probably super annoying and all of that. Let me actually turn it down a bit. You can hear that my computer is going off and on, off and on, off and on. And it's saying, hey, there's a device. It is going on, then it's connecting and disconnecting. So what you want to do is you want to go here. You want to right click this one and click update drivers. Then you want to click browse my computer. then you want to click let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now once you do that, I think you want to go to the Android device. Yeah, you want to go to the Android devices. Then you want to go to the Intel Corporation. You want to do the Intel Android bootloader interface. Do not do any of the other ones. None of the other ones will work. If you do the Android bootloader interface, it won't work. So you want to do the Intel Android bootloader interface. You want to click next. You want to click yes, and it will install the drivers. Now, it'll stop doing the thing, hopefully. So let's try it again. And see if it works. Again. There we go. So once we get here, this is what you want to be at, because now it recognizes the device, and it's like, okay, so this is the device. Now you want to go back here, and you want to click 1 again. Now it's found the fast boot. As you can see, my bootloader is already unlocked and all of that, so that's good. Now we're going to click enter, and now we're going to do we're going to wait for this to load up. As you can see, it's going to have this little screen right here, and it's going to have a countdown. Do not worry, your tablet is perfectly fine. This is a part of the reading process. So, let's wait for this. It's got 5 more seconds. So, as you can see, it's booting up right now. It's a Voyager, you can see. Nice Voyager tablet. Actually, not the best tablet, but I mean, it gets the job done when it needs to. So, that's always good. So let's just type into be ready. So once you do this, like I said, you're just going to want to go down the line, just as it is. Just kind of go down the line and do it all like that. Basically, the problems that I was having was figuring out why it wasn't noticing the device. I had a couple of problems with this, and if you guys have any problems with it, please comment down below, and I will definitely help you with it. But yeah, so that's basically the video. I mean, I could go through it all, and I could show you guys all the stuff and all of that, but I mean, really, I just wanted to show you guys my issue and how I fixed it. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, let me just fix my computer real quick. Alright, so hey guys, so this is what you do after you get the tablet here connected to the computer in the correct way. So you want to go to the patch.bat and you want to click 2. It's going to notice, it's going to start the daemon. Hey guys, so this is what you do after you get the tablet connected to the computer. So you do the patch.bat and you click 2 and you see it works. It's got, it notices the device. Now let's go through all of this together. So first, I'm going to click 1, enter. So, as you can see here, it's in ADB. But, as you can see well actually no, now, if you look at it, it's got a backlight. That's all that it has right now. It's just a backlight. You guys can't really see it very well, but it does. It has a backlight. So we are going to click continue. And this is a problem that I came across a lot while trying to do this. So what you gotta do is you already installed the Intel Android driver setup. So that's great. So now, what you want to do is you want to go here, you want to right click, and you want to go to the device manager. Now you can probably hear this is probably super annoying and all of that. Let me actually turn it down a bit. You can hear that my computer is going off and on, off and on, off and on. And it's saying, hey, there's a device that is going at, that is connecting and disconnecting. So what you want to do is you want to go here, you want to right click this one and click update drivers. Then you want to click browse my computer. Then you want to click let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now once you do that, I think you want to go to the Android device. Yeah, you want to go to the Android devices. Then you want to go to the Intel Corporation. You want to do the Intel Android bootloader interface. Do not do any of the other ones. None of the other ones will work. If you do the Android bootloader interface, it won't work. So you want to do the Intel Android bootloader interface. You want to click next. You want to click yes. And it will install the drivers. Now, it'll stop doing the thing, hopefully. So let's try it again and see if it works. Again. There we go. So once you get here, this is what you want to be at, because now it recognizes the device, and it's like, okay, so this is the device. Now you want to go back here, and you want to click 1 again. Now it's found the fast boot, As you can see, my bootloader is already unlocked and all of that, so that's good. So now we're going to click enter, and now we're going to do, we're going to wait for this to load up. As you can see, it's going to have this little screen right here, and it's going to have a countdown. Do not worry, your tablet is perfectly fine. This is a part of the reading process. So, let's wait for this. It's got 5 more seconds. So, as you can see, it's booting up right now. It's a Voyager, you can see. Nice Voyager tablet. Actually, not the best tablet, but I mean, it gets the job done when it needs to. So, that's always good. So let's just type into be ready. So once you do this, like I said, you're just going to want to go down the line, just as it is. Just kind of go down the line and, you know, do it all like that. Basically, the problems that I was having was figuring out why it wasn't noticing the device. I had a couple of problems with this, and if you guys have any problems with it, please comment down below, and I will definitely help you with it. But yeah, so that's basically the video. I mean, I could go through it all, and I could show you guys all the stuff and all of that, but I mean, really, I just wanted to show you guys my issue and how I fixed it. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.